Hey, I think it's working. Awesome. Recording has started. How are you guys doing? Doing good? I'm doing good. RPG Maker released a new tool. I don't know what it's called. I'd open my Steam, but I can't. So I guess we'll just have to open our extension manager instead. Oh, it's called Window Builder. It's kind of funny because that was sort of what my April Fool's one was like. But yeah, Window Builder. Today on the second channel, I'm gonna be reacting to. It's gonna be like a first impressions, only for like a thing. Also, I've already tested it out a bit because I forgot that this was a thing I do. Making videos and stuff. But yeah. Anyway, it's kind of interesting actually. So we can open up our MV project real quick. It goes straight to your project, so it's pretty nice. So now it should be in the context of our test project, which I just did. So that should be good. And yeah, so pretty much you can like choose a theme, and then choose like maybe then you like customize like the other stuff. Ah no man, it's crazy. Like it's kind of crazy how much stuff you can choose from, dude. A lot of people didn't like that other one, the tile set builder, but like I think this is gonna be pretty good, man. Like, how are you gonna complain? There's so many options. There's so many options. But yeah, I think I think this is good. Honestly, there's not even much to talk about. So like, I guess I need to figure out everything so I can do like a tutorial review thingy. So that way I can like get all the views and stuff. You feel me? So like, there's different themes you can choose between. I don't know why anyone would use this drop down. Just use the all. I wish they would make it bigger. They have all this space, man. Use it. But yeah. So apparently, all you do is you can customize it for the talking or like dialogue, the status window, the battle, and the other. So apparently, it actually sets it up for like each individual thing, which is cool, I guess. Cool. It's not like anyone already made a plugin for giving each window a different window skin. Oh god. Oh, hopefully there aren't any incompatibilities, because that would be suck. Anyway, yeah. So I guess you just customize all this, and then you just go to File, Export All. You hit Select Folder, select your project, and it says the export has succeeded. Now, if we go back to RPG Maker MV, oh god, we should find the what do you call it? Like, here it is, the alt window frame. Okay, yeah, so apparently it copies this in automatically into your project, I think. I think that's how it works. Anyway, so you gotta have the alt window frame installed, and we should also see the JSON thing. So if we go to data, I'm not sure where it is. Is it in the JS? It better not, okay, I was about to say, it better not be in the JS. Yeah, but I don't know where it's saved, man. Huh. I'm just gonna try it out and we'll see how it goes. So yeah, save changes, yes, and don't break. Okay. Oh god, I forgot to remove this. Okay, so hey, it just magically works. Whoa, wait, why? Why is this the green one? This the orange. What's the difference? So that's a command window. They're both command windows though. Oh, okay, so options falls under a menu window. Okay, so that makes so apparently this is a status. The status affects all of like the menu related stuff. So that makes sense. I sort of like I think it works. It works, but like it's gonna take some experimenting. I'm really interested in knowing where these images come from, though, dude. Are they like? If we go to the open folder, so if we go to image system, see they're not in here. So like, what happens if I export my project? Is it gonna contain all this stuff? But where is it? I don't know. That's weird. Okay, so wait, duh. The obvious thing we need to do is go into the thing and find it. So let me I'm afraid to open up my Sublime Text. I don't know what's in there right now. Alt window frame. What's it? Oh, it's just another alt window frame. Okay. Okay, so you see, it has to load the things from somewhere. So it's loading system. So it should be. Oh wait, so it should be in the system. So images, system, Here they are. Okay, so it constructs them. And, oh, how did I miss this? I'm so dumb. So that's kind of cool. So they construct it like this, and it's like an extended window skin, man. And that's kind of cool, man. This is a new thing. We are already in MV8 with our big, stupid window skins. Okay, so yeah, and it has a new algorithm for making the window frame, which sucks because once again, it's one thing I did. Yeah. So, huh. I guess it doesn't need any, like, okay, so, like, I searched into the source files to, like, find the original JavaScript plugin, and next to it had, like, a settings thing, but I guess the settings was referring to the software, not the actual thing itself. So, it just constructs the image and then uses that to build the image like this. Yes, okay, my bad. It constructs the image, and then that image is in a new format, which is used for the plugin and stuff. So that's kind of cool and stuff. Makes it interesting. It does bring up a pretty interesting thing, which would be like, how do you stop people from, like, taking, like, are you allowed to, like, release these window skins yourself? Like, can you create your own window skin to do it? Is this gonna be a new format? I don't know. It's pretty weird. That's probably why they put it into one big file, so that, like, this can't be used by normal people. I don't know. Like, it's just cut off the bottom, right? Like, it's not a thing. I also like it's kind of weird. So, like, why is this part not, like, where it should be, which I believe is up here, right? Because, but the back part goes in the top left. So why is it not in the top left? I don't know. I hope I'm recording this because I'm using new video recorder, and I did not do a check. I don't know why I didn't do a check. Oh, the window.json is right here. Oh. Okay, it makes a lot more sense now. Okay, so they just throw the JSON right into the system folder. You know what? That's fine with me. So that's how they save the. But, like, what kind of Huh. I guess it's more customized than I realized. But yeah, that's kind of cool. Okay, so yeah, I guess now the only thing now is to check out how to import stuff, because I know that's a thing that exists. So we'll check out the help section right here, because I know it's good. I know it's gonna be something in here, right? Like, so whoa, look at all the people who made it happen. Whoa, so much stuff. Anyway, menu bar contents. Okay, yeah, wait, version. Yeah. But, like, where export? I know that there was, like, a thing in, like, the description on Steam, but, like, come on, where's the surely it's in here also. I don't know. RIP. I guess it's not here, which is better because now we get to explore. Whoa. Because now we get to explore ourselves. Okay, so the way you get to your thing is you go to select path and just copy the path right here. Yeah. Then you go to open your own window right here. And be like, there we go. Oh, don't look at all my stuff. Okay, so it's in tools right here. Is tool, Mado, and parts. Image. Okay, so here's all the parts and stuff. Oh, and this explains why, like, they have this new format, because each thing is its own thing. Then they all have their own thumbnails. Okay, so this is also kind of cool, because what we see here is that if you want to input your own type of window, you got. But then, like, doesn't that ruin the purpose though? The entire reason I want to import my own pieces is so that I don't have to, like, work so much to construct it. But, like, now you got. Like, I was thinking, like, it'd be like, you know, you can import one of these corners down here, you can import one of the arrows, and then it, like, throw it together, so then it'd, like, mirror it, and then, like, have, like, the little animation thingy. Oh, man. Well, I mean, it's still good. But, like, if you're able to do this much, you aren't gonna need to. I'm still confused about why, like, the bottom part is all big. Is that just so, like... But wait, look at this. Look at this. Are those not 4 identical parts? Are these all identical? I think these might all be identical. Yes. Oh, wait, no, here we go. Okay, here we go. So, like, I was about to say, like, are all these just, like, extended for no reason, but nah. So they got this thing where like, so it's now bigger. You can have bigger backgrounds. But now the real question is, what are these little frames down here for? The corners. Like, I get those can be placed on, right? But like in the game, I noticed that like the corners are still below the cursor, which I don't think is intended. At least I don't think so. It should be on top, right? So like the cursor goes beneath the corner. So that'd be cool. That would be cool. Is that what they meant to do? I don't know. Should I fix that? I guess it could. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. So like, we're gonna go into the game, right? Oh yeah. It's all powered by. Anyway, so oh shoot, wrong, bad example. Look at this. So if you look right here in the top corner, like the cursor's highlighting over the corner. But the thing is that the corners are separate images. So they should be able to construct it so that the cursor goes below the corners, and then that makes it look 10 times more awesome. But they didn't. And was that an accident? Was that on purpose? I don't know. But why make the corners separate things? I guess so you can make them bigger. You want big corners. You want them big, thick corners. But yeah, that's not happening. So let's fix that real quick. Okay, guys, you're gonna learn a pro tip today: how to fix your corners. Alt window frame. Oh gosh. Okay, wait. Where are all these coming from? Okay. Anyway, here's where they construct the window. So here's all the corners. So it's all being placed onto one big bitmap, which is dumb. It's very dumb. On the refresh frame. But like it needs to be like on a. It needs its own sprite. It needs to be placed on a thing above it. So I'm going to have to open up like the window thing. Okay, so let's go. Oh, no, it's RPG Core. So when you're constructing a window. Okay, here we go. So here's where all the sprites for the window are initialized. I guess they don't want to like inflate the amount of sprites for a window, but still, it should be above. That looks so much cooler. So like the cursor is right here, and the frame is. So the window. Okay, so the sprite container is added, which contains the back and frame, then the cursor, then the contents. So maybe what should happen is a bitmap should be made and added to the contents, but I don't think the contents are like the same thing. I don't know. And then again, there's also the thing like. Okay, so here's what we got to do. We make a copy of this bitmap, right? So like, I'm gonna copy this right here. I'm gonna paste it in right here. Var bitmap equals new bitmap. But we don't want to overwrite the thing. We don't want to overwrite what's existing. So what we got to do instead is But no, we can't do that either, right? How would we do this? So, because we can't, screw it. We're just going to make a new sprite. I don't care. Do I look like I care? No. So we're going to create a new one. It's going to be called Butt. Just kidding. It's going to be called, Window Frame Sprite 2. Because we're just that creative, man. And now we got to add this above the cursor. So we're going to add it right here. You guys better be taking notes. Let's go. So we're going to put that above. And then now we can do like, shoot, this stuff. So sprite 2. Oh yeah, we can't do bitmap, so we have to do bitmap 2. Okay, and then just like bam, 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 like that. And then now we should see like a difference, a better difference, a gooder difference. I also just realized like the window's gonna be shrunken down because of the bigger corners. Is that okay? Whoa, they see how like they came in. See, now it's under. See, that looks a lot better. That looks so much better now. But the problem is now they don't really work with the closing and opening. So that's a problem. Do I even really care? Is anyone gonna really care? I don't care. I do care. I care so much. But how does it work? Oh, it's a Windows sprite container that's transformed. So somehow I need to put it above the cursor, yet have it affected by the Windows sprite container. Now the obvious answer is to put this cursor as a child of. I'm sure there's a reason that isn't the case. Dang, this is This is complex stuff. Okay, so if we go to Windows Sprite Container, see here it is, the openness. So what we gotta do is like, bam. No, we can't do it this way though, because then it's not gonna, is it gonna overwrite properly? I don't think so. So like, is there an update for this thing? I'm sure there is. Here it is. So what we should be doing actually is, wait, we'll keep that there for now, but we'll say this guy exists and this guy exists. So if they both exist and they're like chilling out, being like, yo man, ooh, what's good? We're gonna say window2.sprite.scale.y is gonna be equal to this guy's .scale.y, like that. There we go. And then we'll also set the y to be the same. So yeah. Uh-oh. Well, that's fine. That's fine. There's no such thing as mistakes, just bigger mistakes. Anyway, okay, so powered by Envy. So there we go, man. That's all it took. That looks so much better now. So yeah, if there's anyone important watching this, oh my God, what is that? It's like it's all messed up. It's all messed up, but yeah. This is interesting. Like, the windows are so different now because, like, they don't fill up all of their space. They make room for the new corners. Hashtag corners. That's what this really is. It's not a window maker. It's a corner maker. That's my final decision on this extension. Hashtag corner maker. It's, yeah, look at this. I mean, it looks better. I think it looks better. I'm not sure if people would think it looks better, but I think it looks gooder this way. Because it always feels weird to have it completely filled up, you know? Or maybe I'm just used to that because I've been using RPG Maker for, like, more time than I should. But, yeah. I like how the highlight changes. I wish there was a highlight customization portion, though. But, yeah. So, I get the gist of this thing, so I guess I'll do a video now, a real one, not a fake one. Also, last I checked, my second channel is like 399 subscribers. I know I'm all about losing subscribers, but like, come on, guys, just one more to 400. If you aren't subscribed, do so now. Anyway, I'm gonna figure out how to shop this record without having to edit this video, so I don't like do anything. Is it Alt Z? It's Alt Z. Okay, cool. Bye. Oh wait.